can't wait. Anything to drink, sir? Why? Did you have sweet tomatoes pizza? We still have Wendy's fries. And burgers? Yeah. And anything to drink? I want water. Okay. Here's your water. Thanks. The water tasted so bad, it doesn't. Look is good. I can't, I can't hold it. Here it comes. Are you okay? You okay, Raufy? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Wait. Hey, you woke up my baby. Look what you did. Shh. Hey. Hey, you woke up my baby. I'm sorry. Ugh. That is it. Come on, baby. Come on. We are not staying for this. I swear I'm not sick. I drink water too fast. Just like I have a cough. I swear. I swear. Ah, now that's better. Excuse me, old lady. You mind you can hold my baby real quick? I love babies. Alright, ready? And woohoo! Woo! Hey, this is fun! Woo! One more time. Woo! Woo! Alright, I'll be right back. Are you guys doing weird stuff? Alright then. Alright, we are back. Oh no. Baby? Old lady? Excuse me, sir. I was wondering if you can hold my baby. No, I don't believe in babies. Okay, I will ask somebody else. I said I don't want your baby. Hey, have you seen the old lady with the baby? It's over there. She went that way. Oh yeah, my baby. Thank you. You're welcome. Hey, what you do? Hey, what are you doing? What's up, my darling? Alright, where's my... You have my baby? Oh, you look great, my darling. Who are you? We met earlier and I told you to hold my baby and I'm gonna get the bag and then I have no baby. Is it my stomach? No! I had baby. I said hold the baby. You said okay, baby. And then, oh, it's in your stomach. Bruh. No. Don't touch my belly. I just need my baby. You know, goo goo gaga. Hey, listen up, bro. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna open your ears. I gotta say it one time. Where my baby at? Ah, help! I need it. I need my baby. Help! Where my baby at? Help! Help! Shut up! I need it. I need my baby. There's something wrong. Oh no, the airplane was falling. Baby? 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 Baby, you get out here right now. Baby, you get out here right now. Daddy? Daddy! 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 Get off me! Hey, what in the... What in the... He's alright. You okay, Daddy? All you drink was poison. Hey, what happened to her? Ha ha ha. No, I hate my job. I hate everyone. I hate everyone. No. He pee in your water cup. No wonder it tasted so weird. Hey, did Pops find the baby? The baby? Did Pops find the baby? Just sit there and couple of minutes. You'll be all right.